Have you ever noticed your gums bleeding when you brush or floss? Most people have, and most people ignore it. They assume it is normal or that they just brushed too hard. But bleeding gums are not normal. In fact, they are one of the earliest warning signs that something is not right. When your gums bleed, it is often a sign of inflammation. This inflammation is usually caused by plaque, a sticky film of bacteria that builds up on your teeth and along the gum line. If not addressed, this bacteria can irritate the gums, leading to gingivitis, the earliest stage of gum disease. At this stage, the damage is still reversible. But here is where it becomes a problem. Most people do not act early. They wait. And over time, that mild inflammation can progress into something more serious. Periodontitis. This can lead to gum recession, bone loss, and even tooth loss, and it does not stop there. Emerging research suggests that gum health is closely connected to overall health, including heart health and inflammation in the body. So what can you do? First, do not ignore the signs. Bleeding is your body's way of asking for attention. Second, focus on consistent daily care. Proper brushing, flossing, and maintaining a healthy oral routine. Now more than ever, you have access to tools that can help you go beyond what you see. With salivary diagnostics and remote dental screenings, you can detect harmful bacteria, monitor your gum health, and take action earlier, before damage becomes permanent. Healthy gums do not bleed. So if you notice bleeding, even occasionally, it is worth paying attention to, because the earlier you act, the easier it is to protect your smile. Take control of your oral health today. Visit Dentulu to learn more.